Hello, and welcome back to Daily Drops of Heaven. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your life, the minimalist lifestyle. How decluttering your house and your mind can lead to a happier, more fulfilling existence. So grab a cozy blanket, a cup of tea, and let's embark on this journey together. Imagine waking up in a space where every item serves a purpose, where the energy flows effortlessly, and where you can find peace amidst the chaos of daily life. That's the essence of minimalism, and it goes beyond just having a tidy home. At its core, minimalism is about simplifying your life by focusing on what truly matters. It's not just about getting rid of physical clutter. It's about decluttering your mind and making intentional choices that bring joy and fulfillment. Think of it as Marie Kondo meets mindfulness. By eliminating the excess, you create space for what adds real value to your life. Now let's talk about the psychological impact of clutter. Research suggests that a messy environment can lead to increased stress levels and decreased mental well-being. It's like trying to find tranquility in a storm. Our brains are wired to respond to our surroundings. When we're surrounded by chaos, our minds mirror that chaos. On the other hand, a minimalist space can have a calming effect, promoting focus and relaxation. So, how do we start decluttering our homes? It's simpler than you might think. Begin with one room at a time and ask yourself, does this item bring me joy? Does it serve a purpose? If not, it might be time to let it go. Remember, it's not about getting rid of everything you own. It's about curating a collection of items that add value to your life. Now let's shift our focus to cultivating a minimalist mindset. It's not just about physical possessions. It's about simplifying your thoughts and prioritizing what truly matters. Mindfulness plays a key role in this journey. Take time each day to be present, to appreciate the small joys around you. It could be a warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or the sound of birds chirping. As we embrace simplicity, it's important to reassess our consumer habits. The constant pursuit of more can leave us feeling unfulfilled. Instead, focus on experiences and relationships that bring genuine happiness. Challenge yourself to live with less and discover the freedom that comes with it. It's not about deprivation, it's about liberation. Now let's delve into the incredible benefits of adopting a minimalist lifestyle. First and foremost, it's a proven stress buster. A clutter-free environment can lead to lower cortisol levels, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Additionally, minimalism can lead to better focus and increased productivity. When your surroundings are organized, your mind can function more efficiently. Let's not forget about the financial perks of minimalism. By refraining from impulse buying and focusing on needs over wants, you can save money for experiences that truly enrich your life. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and long-term goals. Creating daily rituals is a cornerstone of the minimalist lifestyle. Start your day with a moment of mindfulness, whether it's through meditation, journaling, or a peaceful walk. It sets the tone for a harmonious day ahead. Remember, it's the small, intentional actions that lead to a fulfilling life. Ready to turn your place into a haven of order? Here's a straightforward guide to help you clean up like a pro. 1. Start small. Pick one area, like your closet or desk, to focus on first. It's easier to tackle small spaces than trying to clean up your whole place at once. 2. Set goals. Figure out what you want to achieve. Whether it's organizing your bookshelf or sorting out your paperwork, having clear goals helps you stay on track. 3. The sorting magic. Group similar things together. Clothes with clothes, kitchen items with kitchen items. It's like creating little families for your stuff, making it easier to find things later. 4. The one in, one out rule. When you get something new, consider letting go of something old. This keeps your space from getting too crowded with stuff you don't need. 5. Digital cleanup. Don't forget to organize your digital space too. Delete old files and apps to make room for new memories on your devices. 6. Keep it up. Cleaning up isn't a one-time thing. Schedule regular cleaning sessions to keep your space organized. It's like giving your place a mini spa day regularly. Now let's address some common challenges people face when adopting a minimalist lifestyle. It's normal to feel attached to certain possessions, but letting go can be incredibly liberating. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate the progress you make. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. As you embark on this minimalist journey, inspire others around you. Share your experiences and encourage your friends and family to explore the benefits of simplifying their lives. It's a ripple effect that can create positive change in the world. Remember, by choosing a minimalist lifestyle, you're not just decluttering your own life, you're contributing to a more mindful and sustainable world. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a happier, more intentional life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, may your days be filled with simplicity, joy, and the beauty of a minimalist lifestyle.